Morning marks a historic day in Texas. At 9 a.m., the impeachment trial of Ken Paxton begins.
Paxton faces 20 articles of impeachment, but the Senate will only consider 16 of them. This is what that list looks like. The counts range from conspiracy, misuse of public resources, bribery, and making false statements in official records. Many of the counts stem from Paxton's alleged efforts to help Nate Paul, a big campaign donor and Austin real estate developer. A conviction on even one count could lead to his removal from office with a vote of 2/3 of the Senate.
Now, this type of trial is all new to Texans, and there's a lot of procedures and protocols to go with it. Let's turn things over to Dominique Newland right now, breaking down how it all works. Dominique.
Hey, Rob, good morning. Yeah, so this Senate trial is expected to last 2 or 3 weeks, and there will be similar proceedings that you see in criminal and civil courts. This will include, there will be a defendant, defense lawyers, opening statements, a prosecutor, closing arguments, and witnesses who will be called to testify and can be cross-examined. Now, the jury is a 31-member Senate, and Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick will preside over the Senate and will serve as the judge. In order to secure a conviction, 21 of the 31 senators must vote against Paxton. There are 19 Senate Republicans and 12 Democrats, and if all 12 Democrats vote to convict Paxton, they still need at least 9 Republicans. Now, here's a breakdown of that format in the courtroom. Both sides will get 60 minutes for opening statements. Both sides will have 24 hours to present evidence and another 60 minutes for rebuttal and 60 minutes then for that final argument. Now, also, the other option would be the Senate could vote by a simple majority to dismiss the charges against him. As far as Paxton's wife, State Senator Angela Paxton, she will be in that courtroom, but she's actually mandated by state law. She's actually mandated by state law to be there. However, according to trial rules, she cannot vote or have any part in this trial, Rob.
All right, Dominique Newland live. Appreciate that at the Capitol. And speaking of the Capitol, taking another live look at it right now. Let's talk about the first things that will happen this morning. Senate members will vote on pre-trial motions. Paxton's legal team filed a number of motions asking for the articles of impeachment to be dismissed and for certain evidence to be excluded. To do that, it takes a 2/3 majority from the Senate members. The other motions will be ruled on by the presiding officer of the court, Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, or the presiding officer can ask the members to vote on the motion. We'll listen in once that process begins.